babuyela emuva. Bathi ake sibuyele emva siyobheka ukuthi la sadlula khona basekhona yini, la sadlula khona bahlangabezana nani, la sadlula khona yiwaphi ama-challenges, yikuphi okufanele sibatshele kona ukuze uthi sibakhuthaza, singabavusa kanjani, singabavuselela kanjani, yini okubahluphayo. uKristu ukhathazekile. How many soldiers have you left behind? Bangaki abantu obashiye emva? Kuwena ababalulekanga, kuwena abalutho, babengelutho, ingakho akuhluphi nokuthi ubuyele emva. Who are they? What contribution do they bring in my ministry? What contribution do they bring in my church? Nothing. But uKristu akayiboni kanjalo. Yes, they were not employed. Yes, abakhipho kweshumi. Yes, they are not professionals. But uKristu inani labo likhulu kakhulu. Yes, babe ngacontribute. Abanye babe ngahlabeleli nokuhlabelela. Abanye babelova beza kanye ngenyanga. Kodwa uKristu akayiboni kanjalo. He was still building them. Ukuze uthi kwakheke ibandla likaKristu. uPaul uthi kuBarnaba, ake sibuyele emva siyobheka ukuthi baphi, basekhona yini. Kunabanye nokuthi kunabanye abangasekho asiboni nokubona. As long as ibandla lami ligcwala, I'm happy. Ukuthi ligcwala ngabantu abasha every day, ukuthi ligcwala ngabantu abasha every Sunday. Ngamanye amagama uyafika lona, after a month uyanyamalala, kuza omunye futhi naye after a month uyanyamalala. Awunankinga wena ngoba ibandla lakho soloko ligcwele. Yes, ungaba wena ungekho uhappy, kodwa uKristu ukhathazeke ngalaba abasala emuva.